Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing MULN, SNES, KTRA, Netflix, COMS, CGRA, FNGR, and Tesla. But before we get into that, a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by seller hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer on insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'll be 1 plus area code and number. And after you sign up, you will also get a welcome letter, which will include a link to download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. This free ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I go over in this video. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First of all, I'm sure you could tell I got it's in my voice. I have a sore throat. Been under the weather the past couple of days, as well as my son. He's 15 months, but he's got RSV. They diagnosed him today, but he's home. They treated him. We have medicine. He's running around like a madman right now, so all is good, and all we can do is keep moving forward with everything. But in terms of the markets, it was very important for me today to do this video. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to talk to you guys about strategies and how to trade the current market conditions and what is working. First of all, I don't know how many of you use tradingview.com, but this is a go-to for me in terms of charting and everything. And they have the pre-market gainers. So you can see what is running in the pre-market, and this is today's action. You can see KTRA was up 51%, SNES up 50%. But the key here to look at is the pre-market volume. KTRA had 19 million shares traded. SNRS had 2.19 million. RCRT was up 29%, but there was only 100 shares traded. I won't even look at that. You are looking for millions. You're looking for volume. You're looking for, big names. What you're trying to do is find what stocks are in play, what stocks have the volume, and where is the action going to be. And if you scroll down here, we had MULN traded 10.956 million shares in the pre-market, at 23 cents. That's almost $2.3 million. This tells you that, there was action. People were looking at MULN today. And then you go and you see that news was released at 8 o'clock. MULN continues acquisition path with purchase of ELMS assets, including factory in Mishawaka, Indiana, enabling EV production. So we had that catalyst. Big short position in MULN, so I knew this one was going to be one to play today. And then, okay, so you identify the stocks that are in play. Well, how do you trade it? First, the way I do it is I use the ABCD system, which is, I look at the 5 minute. I don't make any trade in the first 5 minutes. I'm looking for the market to establish its range, get its footing, and then decide where the stock is heading. So we had MULN opened at 22.2245, got as high as 23 cents, and then dipped down to 22.22. So the stock did nothing for the first hour, and then here it got going right above 23 cents, and then you got the explosive move at 10.45. So this one was a trade that happened after the first hour of trading, and then it just went parabolic. Just an incredible short squeeze. The shorts were hoping that they could push it down, and then once that market got going, they were forced to scramble and cover, and MULN ended up being a great trade today. I got in, got out. I moved on. Let's see what happens tomorrow. It closed at 34 cents or bid in 35 cents in the after hours. But a lot of these guys, I'm looking for trades right now. I've been talking over and over again on this channel. Cash is the best position. Get in, get out, make your money, move on to the next play. Again, that's what's working right now for me. I'm making money. And that's all that matters. It's not about diamond hands, paper hands, BS. I know a lot of other YouTubers, influencers are focused on, due diligence, buying the dip, and, going into DD on just one ticker. It's like, I get bored. I'm sure you guys do too. Again, it's all about actionable, ideas, making money and moving on. Buying dips is not working in this market. You end up just becoming a bag holder. So MULN was a great trade. SNES was another great trade. This one here was up 50% in the pre-market on 2.19 million shares. And you're asking, well, it's up 50%. Why were you taking that trade? Well, when I looked at it, the float is only 11 million shares. The market cap only 4 million. So 20% of the float was already traded in the pre-market. I knew there was going to be action in SNES today, and we got it. So here you had the opening range, opened at 34 cents, got as high as 36.76, and then in the next bar it dipped down. But then here in the 940 bar, it just went parabolic. Opened at 33.99, went all the way to 56 cents. I traded it, got in and got out. Where it goes from here, I have no idea, but it was just a great trade, and the reason was there was no news. Absolutely no news. This was a pure momentum play, and I'm looking for the momentum. It's all about finding the momentum, before it happens, and then riding the wave, get in, get out. Again, it works. It's what's working right now in the markets. And you have to focus on what's working because markets change and you have to adapt to the conditions. So here, KTRA. This was another play, up 51% in the pre-market on big volume, 19 million shares. So you go over here in KTRA. Look at this strategy. So here, opened at 15.13, got as high as 15.60. It never broke out. So here, the first 5-minute bar was the high of the day. So again, it told you that there was no momentum here to not make that trade. So I didn't trade KTRA today. So, this strategy is also keeping you out of, losers or chasing, stocks that you should not be in. Look at Netflix. Netflix was in play today. Great earnings report. And here's the 5-minute bar. Open at 265.11, dipped down to 262.66. That was the low of the day. And then the market just climbed all the way up to 279. So it was a great trading opportunity. I have still have my Netflix 270 calls. They expire on Friday. If we're, higher, continue trending higher in Netflix, those calls are going to be really, really worth something. So let's see how it plays out. COMS. This was another one that I talked about in last night's video. Said there was a lot of after hours action. So again, this one worked here. 9:30, opened at 09, just under 10 cents. And then when it went through the 10 cents, the market rallied. So you got the pure momentum all the way up to 13 cents, 30% move. I'll take it in this market. If I can make 30% in a trade right now, take it. And this is what you got to be doing in this market. Again, not financial advice. And why I'm going through a lot of these strategies right now is because, I cannot send out an alert fast enough between 9:30 and 9:40 for a lot of you to be able to, because I know a lot of you are not day traders, a lot of you are looking for swing trades. You don't have time to manage your trade, and a lot of time, in this seconds count. So by the time I'm able to get it out, it just doesn't work. So these are other plays that I'm looking at that I can't send out a pre-market report on. So, again, this is a way for you to develop your, look for your own winners, in addition to our free reports. Again, they're completely free. But again, this is another way that you can, develop your own trading strategies and make money. Because again, I'm just one resource. But again, if you want to be successful in this market, you got to learn how to find these winners on your own. What else we got here? Okay, CGRA. This is one that we talked about over the weekend on InsiderFinancial.com. OPEC hits production. Here's 3 OTC energy stock plays. CGRA, and this one here, nice. You go over here to the daily chart. New highs. Congrats if you banked on this one. This was our weekend article. Nice move today, 49%. So congrats to subscribers that banked on CGRA today. FNGR, guys, I told you about this one. This one was been a big winner for InsiderFinancial.com. Ran all the way from 105 to just under $10. I said I was watching this triple top. I sold out. I came in. I bought the dip. Nice move today, up another 10%. So FNGR was another great trade. Tesla, I said in last night's video, I was expecting the earnings call to be good. I was expecting, since Elon Musk was going to be on it, disappointing. Closed at 222. We're bidding 208. Looks like I am not going to make money on those calls. It is what it is. Win some, lose some. But you never put too much into one play. Only invest what you can afford to lose, or use stop loss. Again, let's see what the action is. And Elon was very optimistic on the earnings call about Q4, saying it's going to be a banging quarter. So again, maybe the investors will come in and buy the dip tomorrow, and then we get a run. So again, I'm not giving up hope, but let's see how the action plays out in Tesla. But I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. Sorry about my voice, but again, I wanted to recap these trades and let you know what works. Again, guys, P&L, what I made today, it was nice money, but I'm not one of those influencers to brag or show P&L. It doesn't matter. How does me showing you what I made today help you? Bragging rights for whatever, I don't care. Who cares about that? It's all do you. Focus on your own P&L, ignore the noise, and just focus on developing a strategy that you can do on your own, that you can make money. And that's what it all comes down to. It's all about putting food on your plate and doing what's best for your family. So hope tonight's video was helpful. Still on the hunt for alerts for subscribers. Got a few things on my radar. I'll be sending that out tomorrow morning to subscribers. So click that link in the description. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. Like I said, I have a few things on my radar. Be sending out tomorrow for you guys to bank. All right, guys, good luck, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell with a new video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.